Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send GIFs in Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all we will be needing to do is to go to our threads, chats, or anywhere where we can send messages in Slack, and from there you can start inserting GIFs. So basically, we will be needing to go to a DM or a channel. So let's just choose DMs for example. And as you can see already, there is here this GIF. And to send it, all you will be needing to do is just to go here to the chat section or the text section. And basically, we need just to go to the insert or attach. So either you can click on it, and from here, you will find GIFs. You will click on them, and basically, you will have like a library of 10 or GIFs. You need just like to select anyone and you click on send, and basically it will be inserted in send directly. Another way to do it is by going to the emoji place. So you click on the emoji, and from here you will find like the GIFs, and it will take us to the same panel, and from here you will be able to choose any GIF you would like. If you want some extensions for your GIF, like to have another library or anything, you can simply go to add apps, and from here you can go to Jiffy. So basically, you will be able to start like having or searching for Jiffy. So as you can see, we will need just to insert it like that. So let's just go back to our chat. We go like Jiffy, and from here you will be able to start searching for anything. So we can do like that, and basically it's a searched for this GIF and it's inserted that. So you can like do another one. You can start like uh, searching, canceling, do whatever you like, and basically you can send them after that. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.